Singapore, and Vienna, among others. So our program is really quite rich and varied. So that's a little bit about why I'm out talking about the school, and a little bit about linking our history to where we are today. And over dessert, I'll tell you a little bit about what we're thinking about in our next century, so to speak. So, but are there any observations or
I have a question.
comments
What law
or
clinics do you
criticism?
have up running right now?
We
You're going to
have-
add 2 more and have 2.
Now, when you were there, we had the East San Jose Community Law Center. That has been, through a very generous gift of George and Catherine Alexander, that has developed into a community law center, the Alexander Community Law Center. They have 3 primary areas that we have about 8 or 10 students a semester work with a full-time faculty member in workers' rights, immigration, and the third area is, I feel like I'm freezing on a final exam. I've taken this test like 30 times. Consumer law. How could I forget that?
Yeah,
Consumer
Scott
law.
Mauer.
Scott Mauer's consumer law. Okay, I passed the test.
Scott Mauer, who gets like ranked #1 in the state on a pro bono basis for consumer law on a regular basis. He's wonderful.
Although they took a big hit on that, potentially on that recent Supreme Court case on cutting back on consumer class action suits. Because we usually will get about $600,000 or $700,000 a year to support the program from Cypre awards and residual amounts after consumer class actions. We also have a clinical program that's more like an appellate program that works with individuals who have been wrongfully convicted. And our Innocence Project has had 18 exonerations now. Some of these are just tragedies that have happened. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bon appetit, everyone.
Thank you. Let's